Aircraft cabin lights are more than just a source of illumination. They play a crucial role in passenger comfort and safety. The hidden technology behind these lights includes advanced LED systems that offer energy efficiency and customizable brightness. These LEDs can change color to enhance mood or alert passengers during emergencies. The integration of smart lighting systems allows for automatic adjustments based on flight phases, ensuring optimal visibility during boarding, cruising, and landing. Moreover, the use of fiber optics in some aircraft creates a seamless, diffused light effect, reducing glare and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the cabin. Additionally, modern aircraft cabin lights are designed to minimize weight, contributing to fuel efficiency. This innovative technology not only elevates the flying experience, but also reflects the aviation industry's commitment to sustainability and passenger well-being. Understanding this hidden tech reveals the intricate planning that goes into every flight, ensuring a safe and pleasant journey.